Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to view record of employment in MSCA. First, open your web browser and go to the search bar. Type My Service Canada account and press enter. From the search results, click on the official website to continue. Once the page opens, you will see the sign-in options. You can choose to sign in using your sign-in partner, your GC key username and password, or a provincial sign-in option if available. Select the method you normally use and carefully enter your login details. If you do not already have an account, you can also register by following the instructions on the screen. After signing in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. This is where you can access different services. Look for the section labeled Employment Insurance or EI. It may appear as a tab or as a link on the main page. Once you are inside the Employment Insurance section, find the area called Reports and Documents. In some cases, you may need to scroll down the page to locate it. Here, look for the link that says View My Records of Employment and click on it. Now you will see a list of records of employment that have been submitted by your previous employers. Each record will include basic details such as the employer name and dates of employment. To view a specific record, click on it. The full details will open on your screen. If you need a copy, you can download the document as a PDF for your records. Thanks for watching.